Welcome to Insight Builder channel. Creating and editing presentations on Windsurf IDE. Can we? Let's dive in. We have this particular Excel document and it is having a lot of information on sales and the people who did the sales and the region of where the sales are taking place. Next, we have this presentation where the graph, the bar charts has been created and it has been placed inside the presentation. You can see the PPTX that has been created, and all of this was done with help of Windsurf. Not just Windsurf. Windsurf actually created a Python script that did the processing of the XLSX document using pandas and then created the presentation using the PPTX library that is available. Okay. That is a mouthful, right? You have a lot of technology that is involved here. The key point I wanted to highlight here is that all of this was done with Windsurf. None of the code, none of the analysis was done by me. So idea is, so here is what I am starting. I'm asking you to create, I'm asking Windsurf, so this is the chat that I'm having on Cascade. I'm asking to Windsurf that create a 2-slide PowerPoint report on the sales data.xlsx file, and it starts working on it. So it goes through the various process of analyzing the data and reading, analyzing, and then creating visualizations. And to create visualization, it uses a library called as matplotlib in Python. Follow that, it starts installing this particular library called Python PPTX. This library helps to create the slides that you're looking at right now. These slides that you're looking at, these are created using the python.pptx or python-pptx library. All these things was done completely hands-free, and it was done with help of Windsurf. As you can see, even the report, the sales_report.py, this particular document that you'll be able to find it in the GitHub repo, in the link shared below, was written by Windsurf. So if you are wondering, can we create and edit presentations on Windsurf IDE? Yep, we can. The point is not in the way that you thought. You are not gonna go and create presentations using a mouse and a keyboard. I've been seeing this in a lot of other videos, that the things we are still thinking in the view of GUI, but GUI are the things of the past. We have to only think about two things: where is the data coming from and how the data has to look. How the intermediate steps happen, that's not going to be our work. That's going to be the work of Agentic IDEs like Windsurf and the features like Cascade. Moving forward, you can see that it has done the entire process and it has given us the script. And after it gave me the script, I further wanted to add. So initially the script only gave me the file, the PNG files. So you can see that initially it gave me the sales PNG, sales chart PNG, and rest of the PNG files. Then I requested it that update the script so that the PNG files can be directly placed inside the presentations and it can be given to me. So this is the power of Windsurf and Agentic IDEs. Thank you.